Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. NXCAM. Explore our training programs tailored to help you master NXCAM, an indispensable software for manufacturing and machining. Our NXCAM courses, available in certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma. Our modules help empowering you with skills required for precise machining and manufacturing. Here are key highlights you'll explore in our courses. CNC programming and machining strategies. Toolpath generation and optimization. Multi-axis machining capabilities. Simulation and verification tools. Post-processing and machine simulation. Enroll in the NXCAM course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful manufacturing and machining software. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.